Hi YouTube, in this video I will show you what is for loop. Uh, so why we use for loop in C++. So loops are basically used to perform the same task again and again. For example, you can print numbers 1 to 10, it depends upon the task. You can print your name 5 times, 10 times, 20 times. So unlimited times, like for example, I don't say it unlimited times, I can say it that 200 times, 300 times, 1000 times. So the task can be performed. So let's have a look at the syntax and then we will write a program. Okay guys, as you can see that for loop, this is the for loop, and so this is initialization, means that from where our loop starts. For example, if we want to print number, and we can say that the loop start printing number from 1, so it will print starts from 1. So condition, this is the condition, and for example we want to print number from 1 to 5, so we will give condition 5. So loop starts from 1 and goes to 5, and this is increment and decrement. So from to printing numbers from 1 to 10 we need increments, and I will tell you when we write program how this is working. So loop goes from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, because we have given it a condition 5. We can also print this number in reverse order, and we have to use decrement. Then it will print 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the basic structure. It has initialization, increment, decrement, and this is the basic syntax of a for loop. Let's have a look at the program. Okay guys, now let's write preprocessor directives, and we are going to use iostream as a library file, and conio.h for getch to hold the string. I will tell you why we are using conio.h. Now after that, main function. So why we are using getch? Because to hold the output when we run the program, so it just we can say it's hold the output, because when we don't use in Visual Studio, it just get a program runs and the screen just disappears. So I will tell you at link here why we are using getch. Okay, now let's say I'm using data type integer to print numbers, and I'm going to use variable n. Now for loop, so we want to print number from 1 to 10. So as I told you that first comes initialization, this is in initialization, and which I have initialized from n equals to 1, because our loop starts from 1. Okay, now condition, so n is less than equals to 5. Okay, so now we are going to write cout n. I will tell you how this is working. Okay, now let's run this program. Okay, as you can see, it has printed numbers from 1 to 5. Let's see how this is working. We have initialized means starting n equals to 1. We can also start it from 3 to 5, whatever the value we want, and the condition is 5. So loop starts from 1, and we have uses the statement cout and backslash n. What happens that when this n has value 1, this statement execute and it prints 1. Then what happens that we use n++, means that n++ is for increment. What happens that 1 plus 1 is 2. It increments one time, so now n has become 2. 2 is less than 5, and then it prints 2 and next line, then 3, then 4, then 5. Now when it checks that n is less than n equals to 5, so n++ this prints 5, and then when it checks, because we have condition till 5, so it prints only 5 number. And so we can also print number, we can also print our name 5 times. I will show you how we can print our name 5 times. Let's say instead of writing n numbers, I can type hello world. So let's see what happens. So it has print 5 times hello world. Now it depends upon what you are using loop for. If you are using for counting, you can display whatever you want, you can do with for loop. You can print names, do anything, whatever you want, repetition tasks. So, and one more thing. So this for loop is very simple and very easy, and so I hope you like this, and if you don't understand anything, just do let me know. So one more thing which I forgot is that we can also print number in reverse order. How we can print in reverse order? For example, if you want to print from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, you can start loop from 5, and you can use decrement, and you can give a condition like this. For example, n is equals to 5. Let's run the condition and tell you and show you how this is working. So n starts from 5 and prints 5, and then second time it checks that 5 is greater than equals to 1. That's why it has execute, because we have used a greater sign. If we use less than sign, it will not execute. But when it checks that 5 is greater than 1, means that 5 is greater, so it prints 5. Then decrements means that 5 minus 1. We can also use n equals to n plus 2, n minus 2 to decrement 2 times. But in this case, we are just want to decrement only one time. So 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. So that's how this whole process goes. And if you don't understand anything, just do let me know. And I hope you like this video, and like this video and this channel, and subscribe it, and stay classy.